Hello friends, if your microphone is not working on Windows 11, this video will fix it, and by the end, your mic will work. So first, we're going to check the most common issue. Click on Start and search for Microphone Privacy Settings. Open it. Now, this is very important. Make sure microphone access is turned on and also turn on Let Apps Access Your Microphone. Without these, your mic will never work. Now scroll down. If your mic is not working in a specific app, like Skype or Discord, make sure microphone access is turned on for that app individually. Once done, test your mic. If it's still not working, don't worry, next fix. Go to Settings, System, Sound. Scroll down to Input. Now here, make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you have multiple mics, this is where people mess up. Select your current microphone. Now speak. If this bar is moving, your mic is working. If not, move to the next step. If your microphone is not working in a specific app, open that app, go to its settings. Now look for audio or microphone settings. From here, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Sometimes apps use the wrong mic, and this fixes it instantly. Still not working? Let's go deeper. Press Windows plus R, type mmsys.cpl and hit Enter. This will open the sound control panel. Go to the Recording tab. Now find your microphone. If it's not set as default, click on it, then click Set Default. Then click OK. Now test your mic again. Also make sure your microphone is properly plugged in. And if you're using a headset, try another port. Sometimes it's just a hardware issue. And that's it, your microphone should be working now. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Tech Resolve for more smart PC fixes. I'll see you in the next one.